Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix VCRUNTIME140.dll error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and open your favorite web browser. In this case I use Google Chrome. Go to google.com and hit enter and search for Visual Studio Code 2015-2022 download runtime and hit enter and select the official site of Microsoft.com. This page, one click, and select your language, in this case English, and click on download and select your architecture of your processor. To consult easy, go to the start menu and type system and hit enter in system information, and you can show the system type x64 based PC in this window and click on close. In this case my PC is x64. Mark this option and click on next. Wait a moment and go to download directory or show in folder, close, and right click in the installer and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and close and mark I agree the license terms and conditions and click on install. Setup successful and click on next install and click on close. To apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. The direct link is in description, and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.